Hi. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So to start by the title of today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to recreate my signature lip. Now if you guys follow me on any type of social media, especially Instagram, you will have seen that my favorite lip of all time is a gorgeous, plump, juicy nude lip. So of course I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do that. I did used to have lip injections and I miss them oh so much, but unfortunately lip injections are very expensive and I am very poor. So to make up for the fact that I no longer have lip injections, I have created my own little concoction of lip products that give me the old plumpness that I miss so much. So if you guys are interested in learning exactly what I do to create the large lip that I wear in pretty much every single photograph ever, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I feel like I should mention is before I ever start getting ready as far as doing my makeup, I apply moisturizer to my lips. So the one that I use pretty much on a daily basis is this Aquaphor lip protectant. Even just putting this on period if I'm not wearing any makeup actually makes my lips look a little bit more plump than what they actually are, just because they are hydrated and just... Now as I continue with my makeup routine, I kind of get makeup on my lips, but truthfully, I don't wipe it off all the time. Sometimes I do if it's uncomfortable, but not all the time. Like today, I've left it on. Like you can see, there's a little bit of foundation on my lips. And truthfully, I feel like it helps to hold the lip liner in place and keep it from bleeding. I don't know why I'm talking so much with my hands. My signature lip routine is not very long. Is this really a lip routine? Am I starting a new trend? My signature lip look is not long. It literally consists of 3 things. Oh my god, that sounded like I was just shot at. Be still, my beating heart. Holy moly. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Yikes. So the very first product that I use is this one right here. It is so tiny because I've used it a zillion times. So this is my favorite lip liner of all time. It is MAC's Boldly Bare. This is the color. Pretty much any nude lip liner will work for the look that I go for. I kind of stick between like mauvey nudes, pinky nudes. Not really a big fan of brown nudes on my skin tone personally, but you can use whatever your little heart desires. So I go through and I overline my lips. I actually have a video on my channel about how I overline my lips. I will link it somewhere. If I can. I don't even know if I can. Like, YouTube's been like, you can't link that video lately to me. Don't know why. So, if I can link it, it will be up here. If not, it will be in the description box below exactly how I overline my lips. So, I'm just going to go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, and once I have my lips lined, then I go in with this guy around here. So this is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Can't Relate. I love this packaging. Like, 10 out of 10, love this packaging. It is just a very light nude shade. There she is right there. I really like this color. And guys, once again, this kind of falls back into like the super nude, like 90s vibes lips. Still like that. Still like it. Okay, and the very last product that I use to get my bigger juicy lips is this guy right here. This is the Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss Full-on Lip Cream. That's what it's actually called, but it's just a plumping lip gloss. This one does have a little bit of tingliness to it, so if you're not into that, you will not like this, but this is my favorite lip gloss of all time, and it happens to be in the shade White Russian. I think that is their most popular shade of this particular gloss. That's the color right there, just a very, very light nude. Once the liquid lipstick has completely dried, I will go ahead and apply this over top of it. Now, the key with like liquid lipsticks, at least that I have noticed, is if you don't close your mouth completely, it will not get this weird line, like where your lips close, and it just looks a lot more natural. So that's my tip, is to don't close your mouth completely while it's drying. You know, the weird stuff we do for beauty. And that, my friends, is it. That is how I create the illusion that I have large, voluptuous, filled lips. I get asked all the time, have I had my lips redone? And no, sadly, I have not. Believe me, if I had my lips redone, they would be a lot larger. But I do get a lot of compliments on how voluptuous my lips look whenever I do this little routine here. So if you're interested in achieving the exact same look, just follow the steps that I just showed you, and then like you get these. Now you can do this, of course, with any color whatsoever. It doesn't have to be nude. However, that's my favorite, so of course that's what I do. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, what is your favorite color? Would you ever get lip injections? Do you have them? Do you love them? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. The button to do so is right down below. Also click that notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload. I think that about covers it, guys. Thanks so much again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!